Hey guys, it's me, Motionman12, and today we'll be doing another video, and I will be showing you how to make a AFK fishing farm. And this is what it looks like. I'll show you how to use it after. So, you dig 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. You place it 2 chests. Jeez, what am I doing? I do not. Okay, you place 2 chests. You put a hopper down right there. Then you do a fence. Then a pressure plate. I almost said pressure. And then you place some water. And then you place a note block. Then any block of your choice. Then a trapdoor. And that is it. That is literally it. Right here, I just noticed this. I do not have a trapdoor. Trapdoor is important. So, what you do, how you use it is, and sorry for the background, I have some guests over. So, you put the fishing rod down, and then you keep on clicking, and when you catch the fish, the fish will go into the hopper and into the chest, and that's how you make it.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.